Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and also hit that bell so you know when I post my next content. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how I bake my potatoes, so please stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to be using. Simple, delicious meal, and healthy as well. Alright, as you can see, this is the potatoes. I already peeled the potatoes and washed and ready to go. And this is zucchini. Okay, I'm going to use as my vegetable. Of course, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, the black pepper, white pepper, olive oil, extra virgin, that's what I use, and chicken stock and butter. So first thing, of course, this is what I do. I'm already boiling my water already, so preheat it. I'm going to add my butter just a little bit. And then I'm going to pre-cook my potatoes. I'm going to add a little salt, tiny bit of salt on it. And we'll pre-cook this for 6 minutes, okay? 6 minutes. Remember, you're going to be baking this, so you just want to pre-cook it quick before you put it in the oven. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, so our potatoes is pre-cooked. Now we are going to get ready to put it all together and bake it. Okay. We're going to add our zucchini. Add our chicken stock. Put in our seasonings now. Garlic powder goes in first. Okay. However order you want to put it in, it's fine. Our black pepper. Our onion powder. Our white pepper. Salt. Saute to taste. Now we're going to add our extra virgin oil, olive oil. Turn it all together. And then now we're going to put it in the oven for 350 degrees, 350 temperature. So now guys, this goes now in the oven for 30 minutes till everything comes together. Stay tuned. Okay guys, here is our potato. it's hot. I'm gonna top it up. Lemon. Squeeze that. Okay, my people. So here is our baked potatoes with zucchini, fresh lemon squeezed on top of it, and our baked chicken. And we're gonna wash it down with a pina colada. Sunday dinner is ready. So guys, if you like this video, thumbs up. Once again, subscribe and hit that bell so you know when I post my next video. Alright, so just try this out, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.